I'm one of the student in Tirmal classes. Today I'm here to explain you about one of the Indian classical dances, that is Odissi. Odissi is indigenous to Odisha and it is originated in temples. And there are two types of Odissi dance when it was originated. First one is Maharis, which was done by the Devadasis, and the second one is Gotpava, and it is done by the male performers. And we can see the evidences of the Odissi dance in the caves of Udayagiri and Kandagiri. Coming to the features of Odissi dance, which is similar to the Bharatanatyam, because mudras and postures which are used to express their expressions in this dance are similar to Bharatanatyam. There are two basic postures in Odissi dance. First one is Tribhanga. It is three bended form of body, and second one is Chauk, where dancers spread their hands out. And another feature is it is very unique in its representation of sensation and beauty and some other their feelings. And coming to the elements of the Odissi dance, elements are nothing but these are the steps. Those are followed by the dancers while performing Odissi. First one is Mangalacharanam. In this step, they perform some of the flowers to the Mother Earth. This is like Pushpanjali, followed by Bhatunrityam, where we can see the dance. And here the Tribhanga and Chauk are appeared, and followed by Pallavi. Here we can see the expressions of the dancers and the representation of the whole song, followed by the Tarijam, where we can see pure dance, and this is the pure conclusion stage. Later we can see the conclusion. Here in this Odissi dance we can see two conclusions. First one is Moksha. It is very, here they perform very joyously and it signifies the liberation of the performers. And second one is Trikanda Majura, where performers leave the stage from the god, audience and the stage also. And some of other features of Odissi dance are, Odissi dance is accompanied with the music and some instruments like pakavas and flute and sitar. And themes of the Odissi dance is based on the Gita Govindam, which is done by the Jayadeva. Thank you.